Hi guys, today we are starting a new unit in our math on place values. So I thought I would make a video lesson so that you can use this to help you with your math assignment today. We're going to start by doing some word problems together on your whiteboard or a piece of paper. I have my screen up here and I'm going to show you digitally how to solve the problem, but I'd like you to try to work the problem out as we go. So go ahead and pause the video and go get your whiteboard and your pen or a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story about Mia and Kim. Mia has 3 pennies. Mia has 2 fewer pennies than Kim. How many pennies does Kim have? So first we have to think about what information we know in the story and what information we're looking for. We know that Mia has 3 pennies. So I'm going to write Mia. Okay, and I'm going to drag 3 pennies over here for Mia. Okay, we also know that Mia has 2 fewer pennies than Kim. We're trying to figure out how many pennies Kim has. So I need to think about how the information in the story can help me solve the problem. We don't know this, okay? We do know that Mia has less than Kim because fewer means less. So if Mia has 2 less than Kim, then I would have to add 2 pennies to show how many Kim has. So I'm going to add 2 pennies to what Mia has to show what Kim has. Let's count them. 3, 4, 5. Kim has 5 pennies. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Did you have a different way to solve? Let's try another one. Go ahead and erase your boards or flip over your paper if you're using a paper. Now I'm going to tell you a story about Max. Max has 4 pennies. Max has 3 fewer pennies than Sam. How many pennies does Sam have? Again, we're going to think about what information we know in the story. We know that Max has 4 pennies. We don't know how many pennies Sam has. That's what we're trying to figure out. We do know that Max has 3 fewer pennies than Sam. That means Sam has 3 more than Max. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Sam has 7 pennies. Okay, good job, you guys. Okay, now I have pulled up the activity that you guys are doing for math in your math books today, and it's called How Many Hands? You're going to solve this problem and show your work. The question is, how many hands are there in a group of 8 children? So we are going to talk about some strategies that you might use to solve this problem today. I'm going to go ahead and open this page so that I can do some work with you. This has the same question on your math book, but it's just showing it in a different way. So I need to think about what I know and what I'm trying to figure out. How many hands are there in a group of 8 children? So I know that each person has 2 hands. So this problem is going to require me to count by 2s or add things in groups of 2. So think about how you might solve this problem. If you wanted to count how many hands there are in a group of 8 people? Think about it. Maybe you're going to draw 8 people and count the hands. That's one way to solve the problem. Let's try that. I'm going to draw 8 quick people. Remember, this is an art class, so it doesn't have to be beautiful. I'm sure your drawings are much better than mine. Okay, so now we can go and count all the hands on 8 people. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 hands on a group of 8 people. Drawing a picture is one way to solve this problem. Let's try it a different way. Another way is to count by twos. If you know how to count by twos, you can count by twos 8 times. So this time, I'm just going to draw 8 lines. Those are going to represent my people. And I'm going to do 4 and 4. Okay, because I know each person has 2 hands, I'm going to count by twos 8 times. Let's try that together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. A group of 8 people has 16 hands. Counting by twos is another way to solve this problem. Can you think of another way? Give it a try and show me how you would solve this problem in your own math book. There's also a video, you guys, that you can watch that is linked in the Google Classroom assignment. So I'd like you to go ahead and watch that too, and it will help you to practice counting in groups, which is what we are going to be working on a lot in the first part of this unit. All right, you guys, see you next time. Bye.